How to link Signal app to another phone or device. If you're trying to link your Signal account to another device, first thing you have to do is open up your Signal and just make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, once you are logged in, you'll find your profile icon at the top left corner. Simply tap on it. And once you get to your Signal, you'll find your account information right below, and right below that, you have your linked devices. So, what you're going to do is if you want to link a new device, you're going to have to tap on it. And then here you have an option to link a new device. So, a new device is going to view your QR code for your Signal, and you're going to have to scan your QR code with this device. So, tap on link a new device. Now, you're going to have to confirm it's you by entering your Signal PIN. And once that is done, you're going to have to allow your camera access. So use this device to scan the QR code displayed on the device that you want to link. Tap on OK and allow access. Now, once your camera access is open, all you have to do is lift up your device and then scan the QR code by keeping it at the center of the square, and you should be able to link a new device with your Signal account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.